So this is Susie. She's a 2008 Isuzu NPS four-wheel drive truck. Our plan is to build her into the ultimate budget expedition vehicle. I found her online last month, then put a $32,000 bid on her and won her at the auction. A week later, I flew into Kalgoorlie, picked up my mate Mad Dog's work ute, then spent the afternoon getting her ready for a 300k drive to site, where I'll do the repairs for roadworthy. So here's my first 24 hours with Susie. Made it to Campbell, picked up Mad Dog's ute, and I'm heading to the palace now to see the truck for the first time. I am fucking amped. Oh my god, it's massive! First impressions? What an absolute beauty. Really where the worst section of the rust is. I don't think the exhaust should point directly at the water tank. Beautiful. She's fresh. You can hear those terrible screaming noises, but oh, I just stopped. 28 volts, laughing. Still getting some noise in here. There's a broken brake line here. Fill that up with solder. Front brakes. Four of those bolts just snap. Not ideal. I'm working a 2-week on, 2-week off roster, so I'm planning to have videos drop about every month or so. If you're looking for more frequent Susie content, you can follow us on Instagram at YumiMelly. Thanks for watching. Also, a big shout out to Emanuela. I've been talking about trucks basically non-stop for the last 3 months, and honestly, all I have to talk about now for the next forever is trucks. So, thanks for putting up with me.